chóirde agus fáilte nascatí video nu. Níl táid VR i Job Simulator, mar níana mar bhaid jobs agus cáim se fálam. Níl táid tasnú sa tuppa? Shut in!
Are you a fan of slushies and hot dogs? You'll love the convenience store.
Whoa.
Hello, human. Welcome to an accurate simulation of
convenience store clerk.
Let's open up this shop. You can start by cleaning off your counter. You also want to turn on the security camera, so you can keep an eye on the store.
Good afternoon, human. I would like to purchase these
Chips.
Could I also get one of those meat cylinders, please?
What?
Hot dogs are in the freezer.
Hot dogs.
Make sure
Okay,
you heat
sure.
them up, at least a little bit.
That looks
Acceptable.
Hurry up and scan that so I can get eating already. Right, here's your paper currency.
Don't forget to hand over the change.
Many thanks. Have a profitable
I'll
day.
take one of those frozen slushy delights.
I'm good. Okay. Swallow so good. Come on.
Oh, I love the taste of sugar. And here's some banknotes for you. Keep the change, good human. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta. Hello, Shanban.
And I'll take my daily lottery ticket as well. Oh dear, I'm feeling a little faint today, dearie. Do you think you could scratch that lottery ticket for me? You can use my quarter. Oh, I guess I won't be getting those upgrades today. Let me just write you a check for those. There we are.
Okay.
Oh, what a kind young human you
Well,
are.
like, yeah, brah, it's a buyer's market. They're looking at me like I'm crazy, you know? And what are you talking? No, I'm talking to you. No, you. Yeah, you. You got that hot dog already? I want to buy some gum already. Jeez, what is this, your first job?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Wow, took you long enough. No, not you, the other, forget it.
Yo, this place is looking sick! So you know what it needs? More maximum energy branding. Just hit that button and let's lock this thing in. Alright, looking good! Oh, I just got back from jogging and... Oh man, do you have something to replenish my electrolytes? Whoa, I feel energized! So energized!
Oscar got a brain session on the vacuum. Let's put that in slow. Okay.
Oh no, here comes trouble.
No.
Yeah, see? Today's not your lucky day, pal. Open that safe and give me all your cheddar.
It is fear cheddar, eh?
Later, chump! You'll never catch me!
Hogus and cheddar bad me feel like they're Hennish. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. I'm an adult robot, and I'd like to purchase some fireworks.
Oh. Ish. Ho, Kriana. Oh, okay.
Well, the technology is never wrong. That appears to be one legitimately adult robot.
Oh, I'm totally gonna get away with doing it. Shut up, Julie. Alright. Oh no, let's book it.
Like us losing hope there. Hey, Meg.
Good evening, human.
Corda.
I understand you were held at Banana Point earlier this evening. We've captured the suspects. We just need you to point out who did it.
Real tussa stiff achuid. Hogus her nashe. Agus nirvach banana gut. Ach tussa. Vitus a gronalum. Nirvtus a lauert low. Issue the end.
This is the bot who did it?
Shot.
Well, let's go, bots.
Slán.
Yeah, brah. So I'm going to an area with, like, bad reception.
pá. Banam go sinna a chóhannta a nómh, bhí am an bhagam, cí me si bhar fad go lua, slán!